Are you a content creator looking for effects to bring your videos to a whole new level?
Welcome to Production Crate.
Production Crate is the resource for graphics, visual effects, music, and much more. On top of that, these assets are compatible with your editing software. Get your unlimited free effects today or premium effects for only $49 a year. Make it awesome. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, as you can see right now, I'm rocking some new merchandise. Well, it's not really new. It is kind of like in the testing phase, like seeing how it fits and how it actually acts when you wash it multiple times, that the design doesn't fade. So if you like this design, hashtag AlexArmy, make sure to let me know down in the comments. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best color grading plugin for Vegas Pro, because I created many videos about color grading and color grading presets and plugins, but this is actually the best one so far. I use it in every single video, even on this one. If you guys are excited, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and as always, let's get started with the best color grading plugin right after the intro. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, we are in Vegas Pro 17 and I have this really nice stock clip of this beach, and basically the plugin that we're going to use today when it comes to color grading is Vegasaur. Now Vegasaur is what I prefer to use as my LUT filters, so I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get that real quick, and then once you installed it, let's go back to Vegas Pro 17. So right now we have this clip in our timeline, and now we can actually apply filters onto our clip. Now what we usually would do is we would go to LUT filter right here under the video effects tab, but it doesn't work this way. We're gonna go to view at the top, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hover over extensions, and then we're going to pick film looks. Okay, so I have the Vegasaur plugin installed. I actually entered the activation key. It's fully ready to go. So right now we have all kinds of volumes. Right here it says film looks volume 1. So if you hover over, we have a little like preview of what that's gonna look like. Now let's double click on this one, and then it's gonna apply it directly onto our preview. Now if we want to go back and undo it, we can just press Ctrl Z on our keyboard. That's basically going to undo our effect. Now we can scroll down. We have this menu right here where we can look through different filters, for example this one, but that's not all of it. If we press Ctrl Z, we can also just go and switch back between these templates. As you can see right here, if we scroll down, we have all kinds of volumes. Let's pick volume 2. Now we have all kinds of previews right here. We can have one that's going to bring up the exposure a lot. You can actually like really make the sun stand out, as you can see. So if I press Ctrl Z, this is the difference, and it can really make your footage pop if you want to have something extra, because when the sun is going down behind the hills and everything, or behind the sea, you can actually make that really bright and actually touch up your footage. Now let's go to volume 3. So if you click on there, this is more of a cinematic one. So right here, if we click on this one, it's going to actually create like this really cool touched up clip with like this effect applied onto it. The presets that I always choose are from volume 3. Now if you're going to double click on this one, it's going to add in a little bit more blue midtones and like green undertones and all that. It's really cool. So you can just go back and switch between these clips. If you press Ctrl Z, that's going to actually remove the effect. So if you scroll down right here, we can also have this one, which makes this really cinematic, and it even looks like there's like some kind of flare going on, but that's just basically the sun, and this effect just amplifies it 100 times. It's really cool. Now let's go to volume 4, and this is basically a section where you can add in like these really cool filters that is going to make your videos look like they're shot like a long time ago. For example, if we click on this one, we can see that it's actually going to blow up the sun quite a lot, and it's really going to highlight it, and it's going to add like some kind of like speed light onto it. It's really nice if you want to have, for example, like some really cinematic footage. But if you go to volume 5, this is basically where you can add in a little bit more filters that are like based on like footage that's like shot for like, for example, like 20 or 30 years ago. Now depending on your footage, it is up to you what kind of presets you want to pick, because this is kind of like maybe like a 1970s beach or something if you're going to apply this filter on it. So let's press Ctrl Z and let's pick the next one. So it's going to touch up a lot of colors. You have a really big menu that you can choose from, and you can actually see which filter will fit the best. Now I'm using the stock clip, but you can imagine that you can use your clips that you shot yourself. For example, an intro of your video. It's going to really like touch up the colors. Okay, so this is my favorite from all of them. It's called Bohemian in Volume 3. If you're not happy with like this preset, you can just close out this menu, and you can also go to the event pen crop icon, and you can see all the effects right here that are applied on it. We have HSL adjust, another one, we have a cookie cutter, we have a color correction, color curves, levels, bump map, everything is in there. So you can really analyze and break down every single effect that's, you know, used to create this image and like what makes the colors that way. You can mess with like the HSL adjust to bring down saturation or bring it up, as you can see, make it a lot colder or a lot warmer. It's really cool. You can tweak all of these settings yourself. There are just no limits, guys, because every single preset that you pick from the list, volume 1 to volume 5, you can actually double click on it and then go to the video event effects, and you can literally tweak every single effect that is used to create this template. So guys, if you want to pick up this preset pack, the link is down in the description. It's really cool, and in my opinion, these settings are just already good. But if you're not happy with like a certain color, you can change them, and in my opinion, this is the best color grading plugin that's available at this moment beside any other LUT filters. So the link is down below. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for the continued support. Make sure to also let me know in the comments what you think of this t-shirt design. Should I bring it out or not? So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the continued support. I'll see you guys in a brand new video tomorrow as always. So I'll see you guys in the next one.